Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix Meta Glasses speakers not working. Start by making sure your Meta Glasses are charged. Next, restart your Meta Glasses. Take the glasses out of the case. Find the power switch on the frame. Slide the power switch to the off position. Wait about 10 seconds so the system fully shuts down. Then slide the power switch back to the on position. After restarting, open the Meta Companion app on your phone. Go to the settings for your glasses. Check the audio settings and make sure the volume is turned up and not muted. Also check if there is a software update and install it if available. If the speakers still do not work, perform a factory reset. Open the Meta Companion app and make sure the glasses are connected. Go to Device Settings and select your glasses. Choose the Factory Reset option and confirm. The glasses will reset and restart. All settings will be erased and you will need to set them up again from the beginning. After the reset, test the speakers. If the problem continues, contact Meta support. Thanks for watching.